In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and adjust your OneDrive settings efficiently. This guide will cover everything from signing into your Microsoft account to making specific adjustments in your OneDrive settings, ensuring a smoother and more customized experience with Microsoft's cloud storage service. First things first, let's head over to Microsoft's official website. You can find it easily with a quick search or by typing the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the page, the next step is to sign into your Microsoft account. Look for the sign in option, which you can typically find at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will lead you to the sign in page. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Start with your email address, type it into the field asking for your email, phone or Skype. After entering your email address, proceed by clicking the next button. Next up is your password. Make sure to enter it accurately. Passwords being case sensitive, it's crucial to ensure your caps lock is turned off unless your password specifically includes capital letters. Once you've entered your password, go ahead and click on Next to move forward. You might be prompted with a question asking if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device and prefer not to log in every time, clicking Yes will save you some hassle in the future. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, it's safer to choose No. After successfully logging in, let's navigate to the area where OneDrive can be accessed easily. Look for the option that says All Microsoft at the top of the page and click on it. This action unfolds a drop-down menu displaying various Microsoft services and applications. Out of all these options, we're interested in OneDrive, so go ahead and select it. Once the OneDrive page loads, click on Sign In to proceed. At this point, you're expected to be logged in automatically if you've chosen to stay signed in earlier. Now that you're in OneDrive, it's time to explore the settings. Start by going to the home page of OneDrive. Then look for the settings option, which is typically represented by a gear icon. This icon is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down, select Options to dive into the different settings you can adjust. The Options page gives you access to various settings, including managing your storage plan, file formats, personal vault, photos, notifications, and more. This comprehensive settings area is designed to give you control over how you use OneDrive and how it integrates with your needs. If you're considering upgrading your storage plan or want to explore the different plans available, click on Plans and Upgrades. This is a great way to compare what each plan offers and select the best one for your storage needs. For those who work frequently with Office documents, clicking on Office file formats could prove beneficial. This setting is crucial for users who prefer to maintain the integrity and compatibility of their documents across different Office versions. The Personal Vault is a security feature that provides an additional layer of protection for your sensitive files. Click on this to set up or manage your Personal Vault. This feature is particularly useful if you store sensitive information in your OneDrive that you want to keep as secure as possible. Managing how OneDrive handles your photos is done by clicking on Photos. Here you can adjust how images are uploaded and organized. This feature is terrific for users who use OneDrive as their primary photo backup solution. Lastly, let's talk about notifications. By clicking on Notifications, you can customize how and when OneDrive alerts you about changes or updates. This feature is essential for keeping on top of any alterations to your stored files without having to constantly check manually. And there you have it. You've now gone through the essential steps to manage your OneDrive settings. By customizing these settings, you can optimize your OneDrive experience, making it more tailored to your preferences and workflow. Remember, taking a few moments to adjust settings according to your specific needs can enhance your productivity and make managing your digital files that much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating and customizing your OneDrive settings. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy organizing!